Yo, you are matched with.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm trying to suck out a dick and get fucked. Who trying to get out in the Brooklyn area?
Say hello.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good. What's good with you?
I want to meet you and fool around.
Where you at?
What's going on?
Where are you? Trying to come out?
Yeah?
Okay, what's your description?
I'm 27.
Okay.
I like
What do you
rape.
like doing? Huh?
How do you feel about my thang in your mouth?
Oh, I love to suck it.
You can play with my penis.
Yeah.
I think you probably have a very nice ass as well.
Yeah, I have a nice fat ass.
Is that a
So
yes?
how you want to... Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You want to meet sometime?
Yeah, we good. You have a
Maybe
number?
we should hook up.
Yeah, what's your number?
Can I rape you anally? Do you like anal?
Maybe you will bleed a lot for the first time.
Oh,
Yo, you are matched with.
Jason.
Say hello.
How are you, sir?
Good, how are you?
I take it you're a virgin.
You think what?
I take it you're a virgin.
No, I'm not.
I will come to you and we will get a place for
Some gay porn films.
Really?
I think I would like to shower with you. We can do it in the shower, too.
How old are you?
I'm 27.
Really? You do know I'm a guy, right?
Yeah?
So what do you look like?
Do you have any body hair?
Huh?
Do we need rubbers? Do they hurt?
Yo, you are matched with.
Thickness, baby. Mwah.
Say hello.
How are you tonight?
Hello.
Yeah?
Hi.
How are you tonight?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm horny for you.
Huh?
Maybe we should hook up.
What's up?
I cannot believe that I'm actually thinking about blanking your blank.
Yo, you are matched with.
Come here.
Say hello.
How are you tonight?
Hello.
Yeah?
What's up?
I did it with a 15-year-old before, and I came real close to getting caught.
Thanks for hanging.